'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring. Well, maybe a mouse. The stockings were hung from the tool chest with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The detailers were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of shiny things danced in their heads. And Mama in her hair turban, and I with my cap, had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When out by the warehouse there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. When what to my wondering eyes did I see but a jolly fat man on a Zamboni? Could it be? Yes, it could. I knew who that was. St. Nicholas has come to spread holiday cheer. There's no doubt in my mind that that's why he's here. All clad in red from head to toe, he looked a jolly old soul, with not one, not two, but 3 sacks in hand. I thought to myself, I just don't understand. Without skipping a beat, he pulled out his key. A sparkly thing is what I did see. There must be magic in that key, I thought, because before I could blink, the door he unlocked. In he stepped without making a sound. While taking great care, he tiptoed around. His eyes wide open as he looked all around, he spotted a letter that fell to the ground. This must be the letter the boys had left out, to pander their wishes to Santa, no doubt. He smiled and bellowed a guttural laugh while he read out the wishes, a possible gaffe. For Levi wants towels and Dane wants Glatt, but Anthony requested something far different from that. Snow was his wish, which left Santa confused. He thought for a while, and then with a smirk, he remembered that snow was a detailing perk. He set down the wishes and snagged a quick treat, then tiptoed around the 3 boys' bare feet. Now it was time to deliver the gifts, for these boys were good and deserved their wish. So gently he placed 3 bags below the tree that was shining all aglow. He left no trace of being around and opened the door, onward bound. Off in the distance I heard him exclaim as he flew out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."